This is Breweries Across New England, where we feature one of New England's many trailblazer breweries each week. In this episode, we visit Scarborough, Maine for Nonesuch River Brewing. Rest assured that there is such a brewery and it was founded in 2017. Scarborough location is reminiscent of a large rustic lodge with excellent food to boot. Focus on quality of the mainstay brews has ensured a consistently delicious product over time while experimenting with new recipes on occasion. At their newest venture in Poland, Maine, yes, the very same Poland, Maine where Poland spring water comes from. Did you really think it came from a tap in Warsaw? You can rent kayaks and paddleboards at their brewery and restaurant on the shores of Middle Range Pond. Now let's go to the interview.
Hi there, I am Shea and I am with Nonesuch River Brewing. We're in Scarborough and Poland, Maine. Nonesuch River is going to be 8 years old the end of this month, and it started when 3 guys from the Scarborough area decided that one of them makes great beer, one of them builds great buildings, and one of them made great food, and voila, we have now Nonesuch River Brewing, the restaurant and the brewery all in Scarborough. And then our newest location is on Middle Range Pond in Poland. You can rent kayaks and canoes, bring your boat right in, slip right into a dock, and go and have an amazing meal there as well. I brought 4 beers. So I have our Endless Summer Kolsch style ale. This is an amazing summertime, smooth, easy, crisp, light. It's, still summer out there. We're not talking about fall yet. The blonde ale is kind of our version of what do you have that's beer? This is an amazing beer. Red, something that our brewer has been making since he was making beer in his garage. So this is our longest running and probably most popular beer in restaurants outside of our own. And then my current favorite, Space Ghost. It's an IPA that will fulfill all the needs that you have as a good IPA should, as far as the hop profile and the flavor, but it won't punch you in the head, and it's still a great beer to have with an amazing meal. So come on down, try it, and or come on up to Scarborough in Poland and try it there. Making beer is kind of a cool thing. It involves 4 major ingredients, and all beer in the world has the same 4. You've got water, which we get ours from Sebago Lake, amazing. We have some kind of a malt or grain. We have hops, and we have yeast. So I brought with us today the hops that are in some of our beers, and I brought in some of the grains so that you can see the color difference between the malt you would use to get the sugar to make the beer alcoholic and the malt that you would use to make the beer a cool color. And then we have all kinds of fun hops to smell. These are things that you would not want to put in your mouth. These are things that would taste like grape nuts if you want to try them. Sometimes beer people take beer too seriously, but rarely do those people take life too seriously. So, Prost.
Thanks, Shea. You can visit Nonesuch River Brewing at 201 Gorham Road in Scarborough, Maine, or their new location at 723 Main Street in Poland, Maine. You can visit them online at nonesuchriverbrewing.com and follow them on Instagram at Nonesuch River Brewing. If you're enjoying this series, please like and subscribe. And if you're passing through Southern Maine, you can visit Brew England Beer Store at 193 Main Street in Biddeford and follow us on Instagram at Brew England Beer Store.